It's part 2. We already did that. Got the shade cream in. Gotta mix that stew up.
Put this in?
Yep. Oh shoot, you know what I forgot?
What?
The color.
Nice going, genius.
I know. I'll get that in a minute. I'll get that.
I'm gonna say, don't leave me.
Ow. My knee done something. That hurt. I'm gonna use that color.
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure you guys mix that well. Okay, mine's mixed.
Wait, how long do you mix this for?
Until it's fully mixed together. Yours is fine.
Oh.
I want to add my color. Mine is China Blue.
Barn red.
I think it's right there.
What does it mean like barn red?
That's the color.
Yeah, that's really red. Red. I like how mine's coming out with like no sound and you just hear yours over there.
Because mine's like almost empty.
How much do I put in?
As much as you want. Okay.
Well, that one's sinking.
Well, you also could use like food coloring or something. But we used this paint. Okay, I'm done with my paint. Dang, that's a lot.
Hey, like I said, this is my first time. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Do we mix this now?
Yeah.
Eh, it looks like blood.
Yeah, you mix it. There you go, leave it like that.
I mean, like, I could if I wanted to.
That's true. It's just gonna mix up anyways.
Oh, that
You're gonna
smells so nasty.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna suck because I got a band-aid in my hand and we gotta knead it with our hands.
Wow. Okay.
Well, I want to add glitter to mine.
You add glitter.
Because I want glitter in it. Still want it to be plain.
Is this literally how slime is made?
Yes.
Wow.
Well, there's different ways you can make it too. This is just fluffy slime.
It's just this fluffy slime?
Yep. So mine looks like this. With the glitter.
Do I want green or red? Well, my favorite color is green. Okay.
There's no red glitter.
Shut up. Shut up. I killed the glitter.
I want to add some lotion so make it stretchy. There's not a lot of glitter and lotion in here. Whatever. It's good enough.